Hello viewers, how are you? In this video, I will tell you about top 50 Bollywood Muslim actors. Number 1. Salman Khan, born in 1965. Number 2. Javed Jafri, born in 1967. Number 3. Shah Rukh Khan, born in 1965. Number 4. Tabu Tabseem, born in 1971. Number 5. Nawazuddin Siddiqui, born in 1974. Number 6. Saif Ali Khan, born in 1970. Number 7. Sohail Khan, born in 1969. Number 8. Sarfraz Khan, born in 1976. Number 9. Farah Naz, born in 1968. Number 10. Shabana Azmi, born in 1950. Number 11. Fardeen Khan, born in 1974. Number 12. Mushtaq Khan, born in 1950. Number 13. Farhan Akhtar, born in 1974. Number 14. Saira Bano, born in 1944. Number 15. Ayub Khan, born in 1969. Number 16. Farida Jalal, born in 1949. Number 17. Waheed Rahman, born in 1938. Number 18. Arbaz Khan, born in 1967. Number 19. Imran Hashmi, born in 1979. Number 20. Imran Khan, born in 1983. Number 21. Arshad Warsi, born in 1968. Number 22. Faisal Khan, born in 1966. Number 23. Sana Saeed, born in 1988. Number 24. Sajid Khan, born in 1971. Number 25. Ali Asgar, born in 1966. Number 26. Mir Sarwar, born in 1960. Number 27. Zarina Wahab, born in 1959. Number 28. Shehbaz Khan, born in 1966. Number 29. Aamir Khan, born in 1965. Number 30. Raza Murad, born in 1950. Number 31. Ijaz Khan, born in 1980. Number 32. Arif Khan, born in 1969. Number 33. Nasiruddin Shah, born in 1950. Number 34. Arif Zakaria, born in 1966. Number 35. Aisha Dhakia, born in 1986. Number 36. Salim Gose, born in 1952. Number 37. Farah Khan, born in 1965. Number 38. Arjun Feroz Khan, born in 1962. Number 39. Mohammad Zishan Ayub, born in 1984. Number 40. Shagufta Ali, born in 1967. Number 41. Asif Sheikh, born in 1964. Number 42. Desi Irani, born in 1950. Number 43. Sara Ali Khan, born in 1995. Number 44. Ali Khan, born in 1968. Number 45. Hina Khan, born in 1987. Number 46. Katrina Kaif, born in 1983. Number 47. Mamta Kulkarni, born in 1972. Number 48. Anu Malik, born in 1960. Number 49. Neelima Azim, born in 1958. Number 50. Zeenat Khan, born in 1951. Please like this video and subscribe our channel Truth of the World.